Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechSpressed. Today, let's talk about Wise. If you're still running your local bank card while traveling or getting paid from abroad, you are essentially giving away 3 to 5% of your money to the bank for fun. Of course, not for fun, but basically they do that. So I'm going to show you how to open an account in minutes, how to own international bank card details, and use the Wise card to spend like a local anywhere. So if you head into wise.com, you download the application, or you download the application. What you need to do is to hit into the option that says sign up. So you will need an actual photo. This is going to be really important. You will need an actual photo of your IDD and a quick selfie for the AI verification. In 2026, this usually takes less than 10 minutes to approve. And if you're a freelancer, you can also open a business account. So, but for most people, the personal account is the best place to start. It's free to open, has no monthly fees, and well. So now that I'm directly here into Wise, the next thing to do is to make the verification of your account. So when you make the verification of your account, it might be asking you once again to enter an ID, to enter your own personal information, and of course you have now your account already been created. Now the next thing to do to focus on is, for example, into generating your first opening of your local currency, because this is the magic. Let's say, for example, that I click into the option that says home, and what you can do is to look out here. For example, as you can see, these are all the balances that I have just generated by myself, and usually these balances can be helping me, of course, to start receiving money from that specific local currency. If you don't want to see anyone, you hit into the option that says remove the currency, and you're actually good to go. So basically, all of these currencies can be helping me to receive that money, convert that into my local currency, and receive that into my own banking account. So let's say that I go here and to add a currency into my account, and here are all the currencies available that I can do. So I can invite people to spend money with me, set aside money from whenever I need it, or send, receive, and spend money. So choose open into Wise, and I choose the local currency I would like to, let's say, have. Let's assume, for example, that I have Uruguay and peso, and I hit for the option that says confirm. So now with this information, what you can do is that you have now your own UU account. So there's no account details in here, but you can add money directly into this specific account. And to receive money, here you have the specific information of how you can actually use it to get started. Now, to funding and converting. To fund your account, basically what you need to do is to use a debit card, Apple Pay, or a standard bank application. If you focus, for example, into send or add money, I'm going to hit into the option that says add money to make this process much more faster. And let's say, for example, that I wanted to end add. I choose one of my local currencies, and let's say I wanted to enter this amount. When I hit to enter this amount, I'm going to be paying with exactly the same element, all the currencies that are available in the. I'm going to hit into the option that says paying with, and you can choose from a bank transfer, a simple bank transfer, or debit, credit card, or ID, depending, of course, the country you're currently living. When you hit into continue, you have your money right away after you have made it the actual deposit. Now, if you wanted, of course, to make the multi-currency, for example, let's say that I have this total balanced, and I wanted to send this total balance directly into my account or into your bank account. To add this into your own bank account, what you needed to do is to add a new recipient. A new recipient should be, in this case, what is the actual currency you wanted to add. Let's say, for example, that I have USD dollars, my local currency. With this, I choose to enter my bank details because this is for myself. So I choose who's your recipient, let's say myself, and I enter the information about the full name of the account holder, my routing number, the account number, the account type, and hit into the option that says continue. Once this has been successfully done, when you hit now into send once again, you have the recipients appearing directly in here. So you select yourself, you send exactly all the amount, and hit into the option that says continue. When you have done this process, you can hit into the option that says transaction, where you can see that your money is now being sent directly into your local bank account. These usually take up to 48 hours, and you can see all the information and the updates appearing directly in there. Now, to use a physical or virtual Wise card, you need to be eligible to have now access directly here into Wise. In this case, into my country, I needed to wait to join the waitlist because this is not available yet inside of myself. But basically, you can open, for a recap, for example, just open the application, verify your ID, get your local details, spending with a mid-market rate, and that's the ultimate travel and business hack. So if you use the link in the description, you get your first transfer up to 600 fee free. So you let me know in the comments below what you think about this great application. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me which currency I'm going to be opening first. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you well next time.